everybody, I'm Victoria, and I am the guest sewist this month that's sewing up the February solid subscriptions, which is pretty great. I'm excited about that. I love surprises. My husband will tell you that I go out of my way to plan surprises and get surprises. So this was pretty great to get. Got my package here. It arrived in great condition, which is nice because I've had a couple packages lately, as we all have, arrive a little bit damaged. So I'm excited that this was unscathed, and I am already in love with this because the first color I'm pulling out is this gorgeous, really bright, pinky fuchsia, which is right up my alley. As I'm sure you can tell, I love bright colors. It looks, I'm guessing, a French terry, and I mean it's very, very soft. Loving that. And okay, it is. We got loops on one side, if you guys can see that, and ooh, that is very nice. It feels so soft. Not much. Let's see, a little bit of stretch that way and some stretch that way, so that's nice. That'll be good. Make something comfy out of that. And so the other one feels exactly the same, so I'm gonna say French terry also. But it's in this really pretty dark red, I'd say like maroonish color. Very nice also. Just as soft as the pink. So let's got that. And let's see. We got some stretch this way, and okay, good stretch both ways. So I'm gonna say 4-way stretch. I'm not sure about percentage-wise. That's not me thing, but I am very excited to make something with these, and I cannot wait to see what all of y'all make up with them too.